Achoo-wee! It's your favorite farmer. Farm. Animals. I see donkey.
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Yeah! Check out this cute little fella and his partner. Hey, did you know that donkeys have a very strong sense of self-preservation? That's just a fancy word for being stubborn. I must be related to them, because I'm always stubborn. And just like your favorite farmer, donkeys have some big ears. And with those big ears, they can hear other donkeys from miles away. Those ears also help them stay cool. This is because the heat is released through their ears. It's kind of like having a built-in air conditioning system. Yeehaw! And check out this fun fact. Donkeys can be part of many hybrids, just like this fella right here. This fella is called a mule. And as you can see, donkeys are very social animals, and they don't like to be alone. Well, until next time.
Hee-haw, hee-haw.